So let's proceed to example number 2. An irrigation canal contractor wants to determine whether he should purchase a used Caterpillar mini excavator or a Toro-powered rotary tiller for servicing irrigation ditches in an agricultural area of Ilocos Norte. Okay, so we have two options here, two alternatives. The use of Caterpillar mini excavator, so equipment, excavator. And the option 2 here is with the use of the rotary tiller. So yung rotary tiller, para lang siyang handheld na equipment. Okay? So the excavator has an initial cost. Okay? CO is equal to 1,325,000. Okay. 1.325 million pesos. And it has a salvage value of 450,000 pesos. Okay. And then N is equal to 10 years. So fixed costs for insurance, license, etc. are expected to be 900,000 per year. So taxes and insurance, 90,000 or 900,000 per year. Okay. So the excavator will require one operator at 750 peso per hour and a maintenance at 50 peso per hour. Okay, so pwede na nating pagsamahin yung operator and yung maintenance, which is equal to 750 plus 50, 800 peso per hour. Okay, so yung output natin dito, output is in every 1 hour, it can prepare 0.15 miles. Okay, and then for the tiller, the option 2, it requires 2 workers. Okay, so 2 workers, 550 peso per hour. So 2 workers, tapos 550. Okay, meron pa yung kasama dito. Okay, the operating cost is expected to be 60 peso per hour. Okay, so idagdag na rin natin para magiging operation and maintenance. So 2 times 550 plus 60. So we have 1,160 peso per hour. Okay. Next, yung initial cost of the tiller is 60,000 pesos. And it has a useful life of 5 years. No salvage value. Okay. So the 2 workers can prepare. So yung output naman natin dito is 0.04 mile in 1 hour. Okay. In 1 hour, 0.04 mile. So the contractor's MR is 10% per year, and determine the number of miles of ditch per year. Chance to break even. Okay. Tinatanong dito kung ilang mile per year. Okay. Para ma-break even daw yung 2 options. Okay. Sige. So kagaya din to ng example natin from the previous example. Okay. Kailangan natin, since number of miles per year yung hinahanap, it's better if we will use the annual worth method. Okay. So, ang magiging variable natin dito is the operation and maintenance, no? Kasi nakadepende siya doon sa output. Okay, fix na naman kasi yung tax and insurance natin dito, and also the tama, yung operation and maintenance yung magiging variable natin. Nakadepende sila doon sa output. Okay? So, we have here, in 1 hour, it can prepare 0.15 miles. And X miles in 1 year. So, this is equivalent to 5,333.33x. Okay. Per year. No? Okay. And then yung para sa tiller, ganun din. We will be having in 1 hour, there's 0.04 mile. And then X mile in 1 year. This is equivalent to 29,000x. Okay. Per year. Okay? Actually, pwede nyo nang idiretso to yung hindi kayo gagawa ng cash flow diagram. Pero sige, for the sake of the others, drawing natin yung cash flow diagram for better understanding. So, we have here 1,325 million. Yan yung CO niya. And then yearly, sa loob ng 10 taon, they spend taxes and insurance that is worth 900,000 per year. And then, yung kanyang salary or the operation and maintenance that is equal to 533.33x. That is also yearly. Okay, 533.33x. Okay. And then, meron tayong salvage value that is equivalent to 450,000. Okay? So, ang gusto natin dito is to express yung 1,325 into annuity. Okay? Also with 450,000. Ikakalat natin sila in a yearly basis. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dito is, pwede nang idiretso. Actually, sige, dediretso ko na. Okay. Lahat ng nasa baba is negative. Okay. Kakalat natin si 1,325 in terms of annuity. So, magiging, yung equation natin na ganito, P is equal to A, 1 plus I raised to N minus 1, all over I, 1 plus I raised to N. Okay. Diretso ko na. Annuity yung hinahanap natin. Therefore, we need the negative 1,325,000 multiplied by 10% as the interest or rate of return multiplied by 1 plus 0.1 raised to 10. Okay. Dinadirect ko na po dito Ayan. Tinanspose ko na. Divided by 1 plus I raised to 10 minus 1. Okay na tayo dyan. Next. Akalat na natin. Kumbaga ito na yung annuity. This is now your annuity for 1,325. Minus 900,000 minus 533.33x. Okay? And then dito naman sa taas, kakalat natin siya sa annuity. Okay? With the use of the sinking fund, yung equation natin na F is equal to A, 1 plus I raised to N minus 1 all over I. Okay? Dahil idiretso ko na rin. Ayan. Transpose ko na. So, plus kasi nasa taas. Plus 450,000. Ang I natin is 0.1 divided by 1 plus 0.1 raised to 10 minus 1. Okay? So, yan na yung annual worth natin for alternative 1. I-simplify lang natin. No, simplify. Okay, so we have here negative 1,087,402.22 minus negative 5,333.33x is equal to annual worth of your alternative 1. Okay? So, ganun din yung gagawin natin kay Tiller. Okay, same process lang. Kay Tiller, it requires 60,000 initial, tapos every year, ang ginagastos lang is the operation and maintenance. Am I right? And that is worth 29,000x. 29,000x. Yun lang po. Walang taxes and insurance. So, 29,000x. Wala din po siyang tawag dito? Salvage value. Okay. So, this is 5 years. Okay. So, convert natin yung 60,000 into yearly basis or annuity. Diretso na rin natin. Kagaya nung kanina. So, negative. And then, 1 plus 0.1. 5 years lang po siya. Okay. Multiplied by 0.1 divided by 1 plus 0.1 raised to 5 minus 1. Okay. Plus, minus 29,000x is equal to the annual worth of the second alternative. So, simplify. Let's simplify. Guys, parehas lang po yung ginagawa ko sa may example 1. Diniretso ko na yung computation para mas mabilis. Pero same. Wala pong pinagbago doon sa solution for number 1. Okay? So we have here negative 15827.85, okay, minus 29,000x is equal to annual worth of alternative 2. Okay, then i-equate lang natin yung dalawang equation. Okay. Equate lang natin dalawa. Saan na yung annual worth for 1? Ayan. Input nyo lang sa calculator nyo to. 87402.22 minus 5333.33x is equal to, asaan si annual worth 2? Negative 15827.85 minus 29x. So, it is equal to, again, negative 18742 minus 533.33x. Ayan. Ayan. So, x is equal to 45.277. Okay, x is equal to 45.277 miles per year. Okay, so ito yung kailangang i-prepare ng both, tawag dito, tiller tsaka excavator para masabi natin na break-even sila. Okay? Or I mean, at this point, ito yung mag-break even yung total cost of the, tawag dito, of the tiller tsaka nung excavator. 45.277 miles. Okay?